YouTube, doing a little more work on the Suburban now that I got it running. Figured out basically what the issue was with no spark. Basically I figured out the black wire there was touching the housing, thanks to someone on Facebook who, you know, had me check that, and that's what it was. So basically I got a smaller forked connector there that basically, you know, it's not touching anything and seems to be going now. I did check on the starter, did a direct hook to the starter. Still sucks, so it looks like I'm gonna have to start a rebuild. One other thing I did notice, which sucks, carburetor, this Chinese knockoff. I can't put the standard air filter on it, so I'm gonna have to rig something up or rebend or braze that choke arm there, because it interferes directly with the basically directly with the air filter. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. I don't know if I can just bend it, cut it off right where it is, but I think, yeah, I definitely need to, you know, I don't know if it has height. There's a lot of issues with it, but it does run, but there is no adjustments on it, so can't complain. For, you know, it was running, can't complain. It was 20 bucks, 15-20 bucks off of Amazon, so it's a good diagnosis, definitely, for trying to figure out if your you know, if the tractor is running well. So that I got running, like I said in the last video. I had to braze on the old one, so it had the arm going to the right side, or left side in this case. So but it runs, but it does burn oil, so I will have to tear it down and redo rings at some point. So what I'm tackling now, I just got the choke cable on, so I'm putting the, because I want to try this on the loader, so I took off this old attachment. I don't know what this is for. Maybe one of you guys can pipe in on the comments. I don't know what this attachment's for, but I'm taking it off and I'm putting the from the, this Suburban was the one that the loader was on originally. So it had a, again, if you remember back from the old original videos, it had this 3-point hitch with a box on it. So transferring this over, so grab this, we'll go over and drop it on the big one, so should match. So let me get this on, get the bolts in, and then we'll be good. All right, got the 3-point lift on, manual lift, so looks good, fits fine. They all fit the same on all of the units, I believe, so it was a easy job. So now the next thing I gotta do is, like I said, I gotta tackle this air filter. I don't want to run it without an air filter on it, which is a pain in the ass. Plus I need to throw some type of shut-off valve, because I don't want it to, when I got it, the carb was bad, but obviously the needle wasn't working right, but the whole crankcase was filled with gas, so we had to drain it. Happens to a few of these when the gas tank is above the engine. So all right, it's progress, and we're back on this. This thing is now my focus, so it's good. I want to next thing I do is, just like I said, I want to get that on, and then I'm going to start trying to get the loader going and see what it's going to take to get that going. First thing I'm going to do is put the mount on. Hopefully that doesn't interfere. If not, I may have to take it off. I don't know what that's it's probably for the deck, but hopefully I'll just take that off if I have to. But I'm going to put the back mounts on for the loader, bring the loader on, bolt it to that, and then just suspend the front like up in the air. I definitely have to do some welding to figure this out. Like if you look at if you look at back at the old videos, I don't know, the previous owner was, I don't know, not thinking, but he bolted the front of the loader right to the front arms. But look at that, a little bit of oil coming out. So yeah, definitely the rings. I can see, you know, this thing. I'll take this off. I guarantee this thing's like loaded with oil spray. So, ooh. Yep, it is. So, not too surprised. That's why it's burning. It's not too surprised. Yep. So oil's leaking by. So, oh well, shit happens. But like I said, let's get everything functional, just functioning, and then we'll go back and tackle it and do the refinements, like rings. All right, that sucks, but oh well. I was hoping it was gonna burn off, but that ain't burning off. So, talk to you guys later.